Andamio facilitates building trust between individuals and organizations by providing a secure and transparent record of skills acquired and contributions made by individuals. From a technical perspective, our platform is designed to balance between inclusivity and decentralization. This means that anyone can participate in what Andamio can offer, even without a wallet. And when they are ready, they can set up a wallet and commit their credentials to the blockchain. All users' data related to their skills and contributions are stored on-chain, giving them full control over their data. So Andamio helps organizations and ecosystem grow by ensuring that individual skills and contributions are recognized. And all these benefits reduce the time and cost of onboarding employees, preventing falsifications of credentials, and eliminate prejudice in the recruitment process. So let me describe how Andamio utilizes the Cardano blockchain in our learning and contribution platform. When the course owner creates modules, these modules are presented in the blockchain, and each containing a list of I can statements. When learners participate in the assignments, they commit their work. Upon completion, these assignments are recorded on the blockchain, symbolizing the skills and abilities the learners has acquired. And in the contributors platform, a list of works are presented for anyone to contribute to. With all the I can statements that the learners has, they can now contribute to the works available on the platform. By completing these contributions, they are then recorded on the blockchain.
Thinking about how people organize and work together, my kind of prediction is that more and more we'll see kind of the decentralized models we're seeing, like with Andamio or Odin or Gimbal Labs or Swarm or any of those, becoming more and more the normal way how people collaborate and work together. And when you do that, having tools to onboard, educate, certify people with skills, and then they can start to contribute. Those are very important infrastructure bits that we need to be building. And then further on top of that is starting to come up with what are the governance methods, and that starts at the human level. And then we can build the tooling around that, around how to collaborate, how to make decisions, how to spend funds, all of that. But we're at the forefront of how we organize together. And there's a huge movement on the Ethereum side around DAOs. And one stat that I heard recently is there's 1,000 new DAOs created a day. And they're using some of the older models around like creating a DAO, there's a treasury, here's a token, here's how we vote on everything. And I think that's great to get people into the space, but I think there's a lot of evolution we can do around how do we bring these sociocratic collaboration methods online? How do we make consent kind of the core of how we do things? How do we organize and onboard people into these new ways of working that bring their full selves to the picture, their full passion, their skills and their abilities, and allow them to earn a living while doing all of this. So I think this is kind of the space that's super exciting for me, is looking at how we can enable all of this, both from a social and cultural standpoint, but also from a technology and tooling standpoint. And I think this is where things like Andamio play a pretty crucial role in figuring out some of these pieces. And I think starting with the education and onboarding stuff is kind of a great way to test the waters, and then we can start to add the stuff rather than starting with like DAO software where the primary thing is how you vote or distribute treasury things. This is really about education, onboarding, and really enabling people to contribute. And then the governance bits can come later. But so I think it's a really novel approach, and I think it's going to be really successful. So that's kind of why I'm involved and what I'm excited about.